Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and welcome back to a new drawing. Today I will share with you a commission which was made for Patrick. Patrick wanted me to draw his 3 original characters on an A3 size paper, but not just a normal drawing. He wants his main OC fighting the other 2 OCs. I will bring them all in a very dynamic position, so thumb up the video right now and let's enjoy the process together. So as you can imagine guys, to bring them in this position is not very easy, but I think it looks pretty good already. The character in the middle is a fighter from Earth and the other 2 characters of Patrick are Saiyans. It's interesting to see that the Earthling can handle 2 Saiyans at once. Must be very strong. And by the way guys, if you are new on my channel today, make sure to subscribe. Most of my viewers are not subscribers, which is weird. Well, YouTube is doing its own thing, but with subscribing, sharing and liking my videos, you can support me a lot. So thank you for that guys. Looking very nice so far. I already showed Patrick the final result and he is absolutely happy with this drawing. So if you want to get a drawing done according to your wishes, send me an email or contact me via my social media accounts, so we can talk about your drawing guys. All the links in the description below. If you wonder about my materials, you can find all the specific materials I use regularly in the description below. I have provided some Amazon links directly to the materials I am using. You also support me if you purchase something from these links, but the biggest support is still liking, sharing and watching my videos, guys. And if you want to take a look at my online shop, you can do this right now by checking out the info card at the top right. There you can find some of my original artworks which are still available. Now to finish up this drawing, we will add a background to it. And there is also something I really want to know, guys. Which drawing of mine, after all these years, is your favorite? I am very curious, so let me know down below in the comments what your favorite drawing of mine is. Let's see. And there it is, guys, the final drawing. This was a lot of work, guys. 3 characters fighting on an A3 size paper, including a background, a full colored drawing. I am very happy with the result. It was very difficult, but I think I did a good job. But the most important thing is that Patrick is happy with it. So as I said at the beginning, this drawing is made for him. I drew this according to his wishes with his characters. That was the commission number 17 on my channel, guys. And how do you like this drawing? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. And as I said, thumb up the video to support me, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and the link to my shop is in the description. Thank you very much for watching. That's it for today, and I see you on the next video again. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.